Teacher Jasmine here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. I am Teacher Jasmine, and I am an online Spanish and English tutor. And this is my channel, King's Tutoring, where I create free Spanish lessons. I decided to create this video because I myself am going back to school. If you don't already know, I am a USC graduate student and I am working on my master's degree right now. And like many of you, I'm doing virtual learning. So I decided to do a fun little video for back to school so you can learn some back to school terms. And I'll do the setting as if we were going back to school in a Spanish class. I also wanted to mention that I did sign up with Amazon affiliate program. And if you use my link down below, some of these products, I will receive a commission. I think this is a great product to have. It's an erase board and it comes with a black marker. And there's also these colorful markers, and they are dual markers. And these are so great to have, especially when you're studying at home, because you can just save paper and erase as you go. You can study, put notes. If you're doing math problems, Spanish terms, you can kind of just jot down your notes and then quickly erase it as you go. And you've probably seen me use my erase board a lot during my lessons. So I'll link them down below in the description box. They're pretty affordable. I think, again, they're a great thing to have, especially if you're doing virtual learning this semester. It's just a great thing to have, and it's really inexpensive. And I'll also link down for you, I'm crazy about marble notebooks, and of course I love colored marble notebooks. Especially online learning, I find them a lot durable, more so than spiral notebooks. And I think they're kind of cute with all the different colors. So I'll link these down below if you're interested in purchasing them for back to school. Alright, without further ado, let's begin.
The first thing you notice from this picture is the teacher. In Spanish, we would call him el profesor or el maestro. Next, we see the students, or in Spanish, we call them los estudiantes. Behind the teacher, we see a chalkboard, or in Spanish, we would call it la pizarra. Next to la pizarra is a map, or in Spanish, we would call it el mapa. Now let's review some basic school supplies, or in Spanish we will call it materiales escolares. First you will notice a backpack. In Spanish we will pronounce this la mochila. Then you will see pencils. In Spanish we will call a pencil el lápiz. Next you will see a calculator, or in Spanish we will call it la calculadora. Then you will notice some markers. In Spanish we call them los marcadores. Then you will see a notebook. In Spanish, we call it el cuaderno. And finally, scissors, tijeras. Here is a photo of books, or in Spanish, we call them los libros. And the books are located in the library. In Spanish, we call the library la biblioteca. In a Spanish introductory class, a teacher may ask a student in Spanish what is their name, or ¿Cómo se llama usted? The student will then respond, me llamo, and then include their name. The teacher may then ask, ¿Y su apellido? And your last name? The student can respond, mi apellido es, and then their last name. The teacher might then ask you to write your first and last name by saying, ¿Cómo se escribe su nombre y apellido? The student can then respond, mi nombre y apellido se escribe, and then spell their name. Finally, your teacher may assign you homework, and it may be written on the chalkboard. The teacher may instruct the student to the chalkboard to note the homework assignment. The teacher may say in Spanish, la tarea está escrita en la pizarra.
That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!